If you're a beginner crocheter, you might be making some common mistakes that takes the fun out of the process. Stay tuned because I'm going to list all of these mistakes and then I'm going to tell you how to correct them. Let's dive in.
Mistake number 1. Using dark colored yarn. Dark yarn makes it difficult to see stitches. Choose a lighter colored yarn so that you can easily keep track of your stitches. You will also avoid missing a stitch or adding extra ones. Mistake number 2. Choosing an advanced pattern. Choosing patterns above your skill level will make you feel frustrated and you may not finish your project. Start with something simple like a washcloth or a scarf. This will give you a chance to practice. You will also gain the muscle memory needed to create even tension and make better stitches. Your project will be more fun to make and you will be able to complete it with ease. Mistake number 3. Not using stitch markers. Using stitch markers while working in the round is especially helpful in keeping your row count accurate. They are also handy to keep track of your first and last stitches if you are working on a flat panel. Mistake number 4. Choosing the wrong crochet hook. Everyone holds their crochet hook a little differently. Choose a hook that feels comfortable in your hand. Also, be sure to use the right hook for the type of yarn you are using. For instance, avoid rough wooden hooks if you are working with a rough textured yarn. Stick with a hook that has a smooth surface. Mistake number 5. Getting upset if you have to frog your project. When you have to unravel a project, don't let it upset you. Use it as a learning experience. Observe how the stitches come apart so that you better understand how you made the mistake. Always remember that practice makes perfect. Don't give up.
I hope this information helped you understand some of the different components about crochet and some of the little tips and tricks that you can use to make the experience more fun and enjoyable so you can complete more projects. So with that being said, go ahead and leave me a comment down below about some of your common mistakes, and maybe I'll feature it in another video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for some more crochet content. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye.